You know, my girl, I need you to write my story. You love to fly, but now you are by my side. It's you I need, and there is no point in worrying. Time to decide, say hi or goodbye. Why do you cry, wonderful lady? Why do you cry, fighting a fear?